We are waiting here in front of our hotel for a surprise that Maori got me for my 41st birthday, and I'm really curious what it is, so let's find out together. So we just got into the tuk-tuk. We're heading out to the place where the surprise is gonna be held. So, really curious. Let's see. Is it still Langtabang or is it a village?
Yeah, we are right.
So we're gonna do a cooking class. It's a vegetarian cooking class, I hear. That's really cool. I'm really curious about traditional Lao food. It's the traditional Lao food
Yeah,
we're gonna make?
yeah, local food.
Local food.
Just ask the ingredients. We don't have the machine gun, and we only have to use. Oh!
So they're shooting with a traditional bow that's made partly of bamboo. That's the spring mechanism. And it's used for hunting birds and also sometimes monkeys.
Wow!
It's quite powerful and it's really simple, but it's wow, it packs a punch.
Oh!
Wow.
Wow!
A little high. And this is the ingredients we're gonna cook with. So we got the herbs, tomatoes, we got some chilies and some garlic, banana.
I think this the
No, yes, ja. Nou, het is toch allemaal uit hoor.
so husk. Yeah, husk. Many husk. So we have. Cho tới qua đây là cái.
It's not easy.
Check food from themselves, like they grow the foods.
They grow the food.
Section.
Wow. These are really
Có
nasty.
sông câu ha.
This rattan has really
Nhìn đua
sharp
sông câu.
little spikes, and most of them are burned off, but I got a couple of them in my thumb still. So we just put in the rattan, also with some garlic and a little bit of pepper for us, because we don't take a lot of spice. We like it, but there is a lot of spice these people normally eat, so we begin very slow.
Nè, nè. Vô cũng nhờ. Ủa cái sợ à. Hmong people always live on the high mountain. Yeah,
Star is also sticky. So there's starch in there. I found yeah. So we just cut open the banana flour for it to boil. I tasted a little bit and it's somewhat astringent. It's very drying in your mouth and doesn't have a lot of flavor. So I'm curious how it comes out after we cook it.
Can you smell? This one?
Decomposed.
The women's job is to make clothes for children.
The letters.
Which one do you like the best?
The rattan is for me is really tasty. I like this bamboo soup. It's a really earthy, really nice flavor. This one with the big nut fruit is also really tasty. And also the taro. I really like the taro with the mustard leaf as well. Wow, that's amazing.
So this is
Look
from
at
Back
that.
Street Academy. With this case, organized by Back Street Academy.
Thank you.
Right.
Wish you have a very good birthday.
Thank you so much.
This wraps up our fun day of cooking with the Hmong. We learned a lot about traditional ingredients and about their lifestyle. For those interested, we compiled some information to learn more about the history and culture of the Hmong people. You can find the link in the description. A special thanks to Backstreet Academy for organizing this great day. Thank you. Chamo. Chamo?
So the food is really tasty and we're relaxing here with the family afterwards. Now the sun is setting and we're going to wrap up here. And it's been such a wonderful experience. Maori, thank you so much. And yeah, if you are ever in the neighborhood, Luang Prabang, check out the Hmong people. They have really delicious traditional foods and it's a fantastic cultural experience. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell. To help with our video creations, consider supporting us on Patreon. And click one of the videos on screen to check out more of our adventures.